Greetings, I'm Srinivas Menon, Product Manager for Security. So let's look at some of the challenges and the benefits that EdgeConnect SD-WAN solution provides to you. The first challenge I want to focus is on the defending against sophisticated attacks of the modern world. The modern attacks target your network, your users, devices, and applications. And what we have is a firewall in the secure SD-WAN that uses multi-layered security strategy to deal with these threats. The firewall is zone-based, which is as wide as your SD-WAN fabric, which also does DPI, deep packet inspection, which has the ability to do the application recognition, protocol detection, and content analysis, which does IDS IPS in multiple modes, the one that focuses on high efficacy or high throughput, and you can deploy them wherever you want in your fabric in either one of those modes, which also does web and URL protection to shield your network against the web-based attacks, coupled with IP reputation and geolocation services that helps you build very granular security policies. The EdgeConnect SD-WAN also does zero trust segmentation using the identity information that it gathers, helps you build true microsegmentation and identity-based policies. The DDoS engine built into the EdgeConnect SD-WAN helps you protect against manifestation of any DOS or DOS-like network attacks. The SSL decryption that is built into the EdgeConnect helps you manage your SSL traffic in different ways. What does this mean to you? This means that you are able to securely break out traffic to the leading SSE clouds, and you are able to comprehensively protect your network against most modern cyber threats. Moving on to our second challenge, which is ensuring secure and seamless access for the users into the zero trust environment. If you look at the traditional network, it trusted all the users that got access into it. EdgeConnect obtains identity information for users in different ways. When a user logs in to a zero trust wired or wireless network through a radius, EdgeConnect can look at the identity part of the authentication data and then use it to build an identity profile. EdgeConnect can then use this identity profile in its segmentation policies, security policies, or access control list, etc. EdgeConnect can also obtain identity information by snooping radius accept packets, and then it can use this information in similar identity profile. EdgeConnect again uses the same identity profile to build its policies. EdgeConnect also does proxy ARP. It responds to the ARP packets within a VLAN broadcast domain, forcing all the packets to flow through its security stack. Zero trust segmentation with dynamic authentication ensures that every user is authenticated when he or she accesses every application at every step. And whenever the traffic is broken out locally on the EdgeConnect and sent across an SSE, the traffic is the right one, which is against an authenticated user. Once the traffic is in the SSE, they are inspected against some security workloads, such as Zero Trust Network Access, CASB, DLP, SWIG, and so forth. So what do you get with this? You get an enhanced user trust. The user can feel secure that at every step, their access to application is safe and secure. You do not backhaul the traffic to data center for inspection. Now let's get to the last challenge, which is managing the DOS attacks and managing the SSL traffic and the TLS vulnerabilities. We are talking about the DOS attack or denial of service attacks through some built-in profiles that helps you detect these traffic variations based on the thresholds that you set. As we speak today, the DOS engine is being continuously built in innovative ways where it relies on machine learning and self-regulated technology, which assures a user to manage the DOS in a completely zero-touch management. Talking about SSL traffic management, one of the challenges of network security has been deciphering the SSL traffic. We use innovative means for SSL traffic management. One of the ways is to look at the SSL traffic certificates that are exchanged between the client and servers. The JA3, JA3S is able to fingerprint SSL certificate exchange and look at anomalous certificate exchanges between a client and a server and able to stop or purge those traffic. This does not require decryption of SSL traffic on your EdgeConnect, giving you the required performance on the fabric. Now, what does this mean to you? This means your network is resilient against manifestation of any DOS-like attacks, and you have a robust SSL traffic management solution built onto the EdgeConnect. It's giving you the security that you require. And there you have it, a most modern SD-WAN network fortified against the challenges of the modern digital landscape. Thank you for joining us today through this journey on the advanced security features of EdgeConnect SD-WAN. For more information, please visit our website. Stay secure and stay connected.